To unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlink your Instagram from your Facebook. Now you can do this from your Instagram or your Facebook. Let's start with Instagram. You're going to go to your home page, then on the top right corner, click on the three bars, click on settings and privacy, then click on account center, and it will give you this page. Now to get to the page from Facebook, you're going to go to the top right corner, just underneath your messages, click on the menu option, click on settings and privacy. Then you will get to the Meta Accounts Center, which you can click on. And here you have the exact same page. Okay, so to unlink them, you'll click on the profiles itself. Then you'll click on the profile that you want to unlink. And then you can click on the Facebook profile and you will click on the sync profile info. Okay, and then you can just click on stop syncing. Hey guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.